Packing up. Someone's ready. You ready, Sarge? He's like, let's go. Come on. Okay. All right, we're dropping off Sarge. He knows we're leaving because he saw the bag. Everybody say bye to Sarge. Aww.
So excited. We're gonna go on vacation.
Going on vacation, Sarge. We'll see you in a few weeks. Oh my God. Come on, Sarge. Good boy, Sarge. There it is. Okay, he's ready. Come on. Stay. Excited? Bye, Daddy.
Okay, bye-bye.
Good boy, Sarge.
Have to look no further, 'cause I've reached my destination. I used to be lost, but now I'm found. As long as I know that you'll be around.
Hello. Come on, let's go.
I don't have to keep on searching. I'm right where I wanna be. I used to be so sad, now I'm glad I found something I never had. And I'm ready, yeah, yeah. This time I'm going all in. Yes, I'm ready, yeah, yeah. I'm ready for the good times to begin.
One last look. Hello, McKinley. See you when we get back. Time to get this bad boy out. Super dusty. It's been in storage for a while. Gotta catch a flight to
the land down under.
We're going to Sydney. It's gonna be our first time, so come on with us. Time to eat. We're here early, on time. Oops.
We can walk around, I guess.
Yeah.
You just want to go this way? I think there's Starbucks on this side.
Super crowded. Here's the Starbucks. Oh, Welltower. Man, it's cracking. There's hella people.
We gotta eat somewhere else.
Okay.
Chicken pesto, nice and toasted. Rice for Daddy.
for the training.
Wow, it's like San Francisco. It does look like San Francisco. All right, we made it here. We're in Sydney, guys. Woohoo! We in Syd. All right, now we gotta go find an Uber.
Look at that big asparagus.
Big asparagus. That's cool. It's just like a normal bird here in Australia. What do you think so far?
Bird?
As long as you don't see any tarantulas, right?
Yep, exactly.
We know. Alright, so we're taking a taxi, which is around the same cost as an Uber, they said, to where we're going.
And why are we taking taxi?
Because my phone died, so I'm the only one who has the Uber app, and we couldn't get an Uber. And we opted for that taxi, and I don't have a power adapter, because the power adapter that I ordered was the wrong size. Reminds me of Grab. Alright, let's go in. The driver's on the right side. I brought my license.
Don't take any cabs or any taxi or any Uber or anything. Just walk, man.
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Walk,
Everything
you
is
can
good.
see everything. People hanging everywhere. Hang around here and down. You can see multicultural people here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it looks like San Francisco. Excuse me, can you tell us how to get to 38 York Street? Hi, Papa! Woo!
Nice to see you.
Yay! We're here. Hey, Dad. Here's our entrance. Cool. Hello! Woohoo! We made it! Woo! Hi, Nana! Yay!
Who are these boys? But you're taller than me now.
All right, should we do a quick room tour?
One bedroom.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
And it's got its own little balcony.
Wow. Oh, cute.
Okay.
Nice little balcony. Oh, there's a lot of closet room. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, they have like the nice big one. This is nice. Yeah. Comes a little bathroom.
This patio.
Wow.
See,
Oh, okay, it's like.
it's off the living room too.
Like another living room.
Oh, this is nice. It's just a hangout area, and it's covered.
What the heck?
Nice.
Hello.
This is a nice area.
cool?
You can eat out here.
Like a solarium. Cold bear, you just go there.
I know. Very nice. We were crossing the bridge earlier.
I know, right? It's like going to San Francisco, right?
Yeah, it is.